Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on or how to enable security notification on WhatsApp in laptop. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on security notification on WhatsApp, click on gear icon on lower left corner. Now click on account. Now scroll down. You will find here security and show security notification on this computer, and by default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now security notification is turned on in my laptop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.